Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to get a free SSL certificate for your website, step by step. SSL is extremely important for SEO, security, and to remove that not secure warning from your browser. The good news, you don't have to pay anything. You can get SSL completely for free. Once you follow this tutorial, your website will show the secure padlock and your URL will become HTTPS. Let's get started. What is SSL? Why do you need it? SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer. It protects your website by encrypting data between the user and the server. Why SSL is important? Protects user information, helps your website rank higher on Google, required for online payments, builds trust with your visitors, removes the not secure alert in Chrome. Now let's install it for free. Method 1. Get free SSL from your hosting provider. This is the most common and easiest method. Most good hosting companies provide free SSL. Steps: log in into your hosting dashboard. Look for SSL. This may come under Security tab. And then you can get your SSL installed for free on this. Like I have already got SSL and this is within the Hostinger platform. This may take a few minutes to get active. Popular hosts that offer free SSL: Hostinger, Bluehost, SiteGround, Namecheap, A2 Hosting, Cloudways. If you need the hosting, you can also check the link in the description so you can get a good deal on that. If your hosting already has an SSL, you are done. Method 2. Install free SSL using Cloudflare. Best for all websites. If your hosting doesn't provide SSL, you can still get one for free using Cloudflare. I have already made a detailed video on getting free SSL from Cloudflare. You can find that video on my channel. To shortly summarize steps to get SSL with Cloudflare, go to cloudflare.com and then you can create your account using this button, but I already have an account on Cloudflare. And then you can add your website over here by clicking on this onboard a domain. Since I already have, so I will just go with here and then you can see the SSL overview over here. I have activated the SSL over here and the encryption mode is flexible. Done. Using this Cloudflare options, you can get an SSL certificate for free. Cloudflare gives you free CDN, faster website speed, DDoS protection, better security. For WordPress users, install a plugin to force SSL. Even after installing SSL, some websites still show not secure. To fix this, install a plugin. Let's go to the plugin section and click on add plugin and search for really simple SSL. This plugin will automatically force HTTPS, fix mixed content errors, update or internal URLs. I have already installed this plugin to force SSL. Verify SSL is working. To check if SSL is working, open your website. Look for the padlock and then you can see that this is secured. You can also check for the HTTPS. Since this is showing HTTPS, that means this website has SSL. If the padlock is secured, you already know that your website is secured with SSL. Troubleshooting if SSL doesn't work. If SSL is not showing, check DNS propagation. Usually takes around 30 minutes. Clear your browser cache. Clear hosting cache. Ensure SSL is set to full in Cloudflare. Rerun really simple SSL plugin. Summary. Getting SSL doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. Today we learn how to enable free SSL from hosting, how to use Cloudflare to get free SSL, how to activate SSL in WordPress, how to fix HTTPS issues with a plugin. Now your website is fully secure. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, please like this video, subscribe to LearnWeb Academy, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next video.